Welcome to our review of the Tacx Blue Motion Trainer, a reliable indoor cycling solution designed for all levels. This trainer features a handlebar resistance lever with 10 adjustable positions, allowing you to customize your workout intensity easily. It fits wheels with diameters ranging from 600 to 710 millimeters, making it compatible with most bikes. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the easy-to-install brake system, which includes one powerful neodymium magnet and a 1.6 kilogram flywheel for smooth performance. With a maximum resistance of 950 watts, this trainer can challenge even the most dedicated cyclists. Whether you're training for competition or just staying fit, the Tacx Blue Motion offers stable, consistent resistance. Get ready to elevate your indoor cycling experience with this efficient and user-friendly trainer. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.